There we go. All right. So we want to find the vertex of the function f of x equals x squared minus 1, right? That is the vertex we want to find. Now, how do we do it? Absolutely simple. All we need to look for is this little formula and replace the values of b and a in that little formula. That will give us the x coordinate of the point, because since a vertex is a point, is this little dot in the corners of the parabola. Since the vertex is a point, then for every single point you need to have one x variable, one x coordinate, and then one y coordinate. So with this little formula, we can find the x. How do we find the y? I'm going to show you after we get the x. So let's get to work. Let's try to find the x coordinate of the vertex of this function. Here it is. So we usually in math, we call it like this, the vertex x, to kind of represent that we're looking for the vertex, the x coordinate of the vertex, right? So the vertex of x should be negative b. Now, in this case, in our function, we do not have a value b, meaning the value of b will be 0, right? So we have negative 0 over 2 times the value of a. But in here we can see there is nothing, there's not a coefficient with the x squared. That means the value of a, the coefficient of x squared, is 1. It is implicit, right? So we have 2 times 1. Beautiful. If we do the math here, we have 0 over 2, or negative 0, it doesn't matter. We have exactly 0. That means the vertex of that function has an x coordinate of, here, vertex has an x coordinate of 0. The problem is, all right, we have the x coordinate because of the formula, but how do we find the y coordinate? What do we do? Absolutely simple. Now that you have the x value, you are going to take it and replace it in the original function, in the f of x. What you want to do is evaluate. You want to evaluate f of 0. That means instead of the x, write a 0. So f of 0 is take the function, and wherever you find an x, you will no longer put an x, you will put a 0. You are evaluating the function on x equals 0. So x squared will be 0 squared minus 1. This is the original function, and I am replacing with the value of 0. Which value? The same that I just found. That is the reason why we only give the formula for x. Because no matter what the value is for 0, all you have to do is replace it in the original function. From here, simply tell us what is the result. F of 0 will be 0 squared, which is 0, minus 1, which is negative 1. Meaning the vertex has a coordinate x of 0 and a coordinate y of negative 1. There we go. This will be the coordinate x, and this will be the coordinate y. This is the x, and this is the y. All right? Is that good?
Yes.
Sarah?
Yes, thanks.
You are welcome. All right. I'm going to cut the video here. If you have any questions, remember, ask me. I'm here for you guys.